Now we are going to solve the first problem in the 8th chapter. Here first I will read out the problem. How many photons per second emanate from a 50 milliwatt laser of 640 nanometer? Here the wavelength emitted from the laser lamp is 640 nanometer. The value of wavelength that is given in nanometer must be converted into meter. So 640 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. So that is the value that should be written in SI system. And then the power of the lamp is 50 milliwatt. 50 milliwatt, that wattage value, power value must be converted into watt. 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3 watt. So these conversions are the must one. Here to solve the problem, certain basic formulas are required. You are asked to calculate the number of photons emanated from the lamp per second. Okay. So the first important formula is power. Power is equal to, the fundamental formula is energy, work done by time, that can be written as energy per time. Okay, instead of work done I have written energy. Energy of the each photon is equal to h nu. This is from quantum theory of light. Okay. Here this formula can be altered. Here frequency is given, but in the problem wavelength is given. Wavelength of the light is given here. So here instead of nu we can write it as hc by lambda. Are you clear? Instead of nu I have substituted c by lambda. So energy formula it becomes hc by lambda. So here the lamp it emits so many number of photons. Therefore the total energy emitted by the lamp, that can be written as NP. NP means number of photons. This is the energy of the single photon. Number of photons into energy of the single photon, hc by lambda can be written. In the denominator time is there. So power can be written as Np into hc by lambda t. So what is required here? Number of photons per time, number of photons per unit time. How many number of photons are emitted per time? Np by t is there. Rearrange the formula, you will get the new formula now. Np by t, number of photons in a particular duration, Np by t is equal to, after rearranging you will get power into lambda whole divided by hc. This is the formula. Here number of photons per second is given. Therefore instead of t, there you have to substitute Np by 1 second, that can be substituted. Here power value is known. The power of the lamp is 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3 watt. Wavelength is given in nanometer, already it is converted into meter. 640 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter whole divided by h value is Planck's constant. Planck's constant value is 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 can be substituted. Velocity of the light or velocity of electromagnetic wave is 3 into 10 to the power of 8. Okay. So here after simplification you will get the value like this: 32,000 into 10 to the power of minus 12 whole divided by, the denominator, the value it becomes 19.878. I have calculated everything with the help of calculator. You have to do everything with the help of logbook. Minus 26. After simplification, this value, this one becomes here 32,000 into 10 to the power of 14 whole divided by 19.878 So after calculation, the final answer it becomes 1.610 into 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 14. Okay, so if it is further simplified, you will get 1.61 into 10 to the power of 17. So these are all the number of photons emitted per second. Are you clear? Per second, this many number of photons are emitted. In the answer part also, there also you have to write like this, photons per second, because in the LHS side, NP by T is there. Instead of T, there you have to substitute second. Here also you have to write second. Okay. So very simple problem, may be asked in 3 mark.